In this video, we'll show you how to fix the issue of Flash Player no longer being supported in Google Chrome. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Here we are in Google Chrome. First, I'll show you the error message I'm receiving when trying to use Flash. I searched for the Adobe Flash Player test, and when I visited the site, it displayed the message saying Flash Player is no longer supported. When I tried to click to enable it, the same issue appeared. To fix this, go to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots. Hover over More Tools and then click on Extensions. From here, click Visit Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Flash Player and look for Flash Player for the web. Select the top result, which is Flash Player for Chrome.
Click Add to Chrome and then confirm by clicking Add Extension.
Once the extension is added, you'll see a pop-up confirming it's installed. Now, return to the website and refresh the page. You'll notice a new message saying that hardware acceleration is not enabled. To fix this, click the three dots in the top right corner again. Go to Settings, and in the search bar type Acceleration. Toggle on Use Hardware Acceleration when available and click Relaunch. After the relaunch, go back to the site, and now the Flash content should work. You can click the play button, and everything will function properly. That's it. If this guide helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials.